How to create digital business card in Canva. Here is a concise guide on how to create a digital business card using a popular tool, Canva, in just a few minutes. Creating digital business card can be a great way to share your content information easily and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. Firstly, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. As you can see, this is the home page, and we have here other options and other rules. Like here we have design spotlights. Firstly, visual documents. We have visual sites, docs, presentations, whiteboards, PDF, editor, graphs and charts. You can select the one you want or the one you need. Then we have photos and videos. Firstly, we have video editor, YouTube video editor, photo editor, photo collages, background remover. Then we have print, business cards, invitation, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, labels. Then we have marketing. We have firstly logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, websites, stickers, yard signs, QR code generator. About businesses, we have Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, Contact Self, then Business Solutions, Marketing, Creatives, Agencies, Sales, Communications, Real Estate, Small and Medium Businesses, Startups, Franchises, and other all businesses solutions. Then we have here use case, content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaboration, asset management, brainstorms and workshops, brand and team template, productivity and workflows. Then we have resources, business resources, case studies, features, integration and apps, security, enterprise, onboarding services. Then we have education, as you can see. We have firstly teachers and schools, students, teacher resources, LMS integrations, case studies, higher educations, become an education creator. All you have to do is select the one you want and know other information about it. Create and publish your own resources on Canva and earn by shares. So this is an example. Then we have here others. You can select pounds and pricing or furthering. Then we have here what will you design today? Canva makes it easy to create and share professional designs. All you have to do is start designing. Here we have a various things like firstly we have posters, resumes, logos, docs, whiteboards, presentations, social, videos, websites, Instagram posts, and brochures, photo editor. So then we have here a perfect fit for everyone. We have first for one person, Canva free for designing or working on anything. You can just click over here and you continue with Canva free. Then we have Canva Pro for one person also for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. All you have to do is click over here to start with free pro trial. Then we have for your team, Canva Teams, for teams to create together with premium workplace tools and workflows. So all you have to do is click over here. Then we have here also trusted by well-known companies. You can just see how much companies is trust in this Canva. Then we have here create with EA, redefine the way you create with Magic Studio, our site of AI-powered tools that generate copy in your brand voice with Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic. Then we have here design with others, invite friends and family to design with you or set your whole team up to work together. Our collaboration features let you comment and work in real time on presentations, whiteboards, docs, videos, or the birthday party plan. Then we have here templates for absolutely anything. Customize an office template or design something more personal like an invitation. Here we have some examples. Here we have open house, marketing review, capsule collocation, You can just say the one you want. Then we have here the plan that get down to businesses. Empower. If we want to design together with Canva teams, AI-powered efficiency, bring your brand in-house, beautiful approval flows, and finally we are full of surprises. Here are some of our best traits you might not know about. We have here, we've got an apps marketplace, we've got a desktop app, business love us, we make presenting easy and various things as you can see. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over here and you can continue with Google, Facebook, email. So it's click over here and you choose the one you want. Sorry, you write your email here and you get an email. So this is for sign up. Then if you want to log in to find your account, if you already did your account. So here are some steps to create a digital business card. So firstly we have choose a platform or app, select a platform or app. There are several apps and platforms available for creating digital business cards such as Canva, Adobe Spark, Office Print, and dedicated apps like Hi Hello, Camcard, or HiStack. Step 2, we have sign up or log in. Firstly, we have create an account or log in if you are using an app. Download it from your app store and create an account or log in if you already have one. Then we have select a template. Firstly, we have browse templates. Most platforms offer a variety of templates. Choose a template that fits your brand or personal style. Then we have select a template. Click on the template to start customizing it. Then step 4, we have customize your digital business card. Firstly, we have add your logo, upload your company logo. Most platforms will have an option to add an image or logo. Then you have enter your information, include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, website, and any other relevant information. Then we have customers to design, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Most platforms allow you to drag and drop elements to create a design that you like. Then we have add social media links, include icons and links to your social media profiles to make it easy for people to connect you with you online. Step 5, we have save and export. Preview your card before finalizing. Preview your digital business card to make sure everything looks good. Then save your card, save your design. Most platforms will save your card in your account for future edits. Then export your card. Export your digital business card as a PNG, PDF file. Some apps also allow you to share your card via a QR code. Then the last step is share your digital business card via an email or social media or QR code. So by following these steps, you can create a professional and eye-catching digital business card that you can easily share with your others in a variety of ways. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video.